How to make Aternos server always online. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your Google Chrome and simply search for Aternos server. And here, once you have done this, you have to go for sign up first of all. And here, put your username and agree both these conditions and click on next. You can also sign in with Google. So here you have to click on this create a server, and if you have PC or window you can click on this and click on this create button, and there you go. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how to make it a no server always online.